Hey there, beautiful souls! Today I'm sharing something extra special with you all. Patti LaBelle's famous baked chicken recipe. Now, you know Patti LaBelle is a legendary singer and actress, but did you know she's also an incredible chef? Oh yes, honey, this chicken is a hit at any gathering. It's healthy, packed with flavor, and super easy to make. So let's get started. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, let's get our spices ready. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, or you can use fresh chopped garlic if you're feeling fancy. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Now, add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little kick and a tablespoon of smoked paprika for that lovely smoky flavor. Mix it all up, y'all. Next, take your 6 boneless, skinless chicken breast halves and give them a good ol' rub with the spice mix. Make sure they're coated evenly. This is where all that deliciousness comes from. Once your chicken is all seasoned up, place them in a baking dish. Now, drizzle 8 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil over the chicken. This keeps them juicy and adds a nice richness. If you're feeling extra, sprinkle a little more paprika on top. Pop that dish in the oven and bake for about 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and golden brown. Your kitchen is gonna smell amazing. Once it's done, take it out and let it cool for a bit before serving. Now that's it. You've got yourself Patti LaBelle's famous baked chicken. Oh, and before you go, let me give you a couple of tips. Add fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme along with the dried spices for an even richer flavor. If you want a little cheesiness, sprinkle some Parmesan on top before baking. And if you like it spicy, like me, add more cayenne pepper or serve it with some hot sauce. For a crunchier texture, coat the chicken in breadcrumbs before baking. Trust me, these little tweaks can make a big difference. So, there you have it. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Kraystar Flavor King. Share it with your friends and spread the deliciousness. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!